so we're gonna go ahead and get this hair straightened out. I'm gonna be using my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium flat iron that I got from Sally's last year, I believe. As far as products, I have the Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray. I also have this Argan Oil of Morocco from OGX Beauty, and then there is this Frizz Be Gone serum from Giovanni. So we're just gonna see what I end up using. Definitely I'm gonna be spraying this on each section to protect from heat, and then I'll see if I need any of the oils or serums as we go along. Alrighty, so this is my hair. I'm gonna wrap it because it needs to be wrapped. Definitely has grown. I was trying to look at my phone and see when the last time I straightened it was, but it looks like it was a year ago, but I feel like I did it sooner. Maybe it was a year ago. I'm just going with a year because I can't see anything sooner than that. So it has definitely grown since then. I'm gonna wrap my hair and then I'll come back and just show the final look. Okay, so these are the final results of me straightening my hair. It looks really good. This was the perfect week to do this because it's a little cool. Well, it's cold in Georgia. It is in the 40s currently, and it's supposed to be cold all week. So this was a great time to do this. Loving the growth, and hopefully this can last at least a week and a half. I want to say 2, but a week and a half would be pretty good, and then we'll just redo it. I think maybe December will be just a straight hair month for me. I feel like I should end the year off with a nice treat. One of those treats being wearing straight hair. I will include all of the products that I use to straighten my hair down below in the description box, from the shampoo all the way up until the heat protectant and the serums. So just in case you're interested, maybe I can also link the flat iron. This is a great flat iron, by the way. I got it from Sally's, so I will link that as well. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. The last time I straightened my hair was March, and then the time before that was last December. So I will see if I can include some clips of what my hair looked like then versus now. The growth is there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're having a great start to December 2020. Let's end this year off strong. We all need it, and I just feel like good things are coming. I know good things are coming. So that's all for this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.